Welcome to another CompuByte tutorial. This tutorial will teach you how to take a PDF file or a PDF document and convert it to Excel and then into CSV, and then from CSV into a GRN directly into the CompuByte program. You click on the CompuByte program, you insert your operator number and your password. You then go to Tools, and you choose Scan CSV. You put your access code in there, and then you convert PDF to CSV file. So you click on this, it will download the file for you, the PDF program. If you don't have it, if you have it, it will already be on your system. Now you're going to put your output folder CSV file where you're going to put the folder, where you're going to put your CSV files in. You put the folder directly. I'm going to put it into the CSV directory. And now I'm going to say add a PDF. I'm going to find a PDF. I'm going to choose it from my desktop. I'm going to go to my desktop. And that's invoice 3188 PDF. I choose it and I open it. Now I say OK, and I click on the file and I convert the file. It converts it to me, and now you see in the CSV file there's a document INV CSV, and in there I will find my CSV document that will be in there. OK, I close this. And I close it. And now I go to open it in Excel, the CSV file in Excel. In fact, I could have opened it directly, so I'll go to PDF CSV file. I choose Add PDF. I choose the folder, CSV PDF, open it. I say OK. I choose it, PDF CSV. I say convert now. There's it. INV CSV, and there's my Excel file. So now I'm going to open the Excel file. Okay, you'll see it's protected. Office has detected a problem with this file. Editing may harm your computer. Click more for details. You don't have to worry about that because it's a PDF file converted. It's giving you this warning. So what you do, you go to File and you say Save. Save, and it will tell you Enable Saving. You choose Enable Saving and you'll see your file. Now what you have to do is, you see at the moment you've got your part numbers here. You make sure that you have an item or part number always, which is your PL. You must have it there always. So for this is the LB Canon printer. It's 1250. Then the part number here is for the Elex printer. I'm going to put Elex 20, and then this one is Samsung. I'm going to put Samsung, and this one is a Canon Prima. It's got it there. I don't need to put anything else extra for it. Now I say File and I say Save As, and you have to save it as a CSV MS-DOS. So you go to CSV MS-DOS and you see the file is INV 3188 and you just save it. The file is now saved. Now you can close the file. You can close it. You see there's the two files. One is the CSV file and one is the Excel file. Close the file. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this file here, close this program here, and now I'm going to browse for that CSV file. So I'm going to browse for the file. It's in CSV invoice 3811. I'm going to click in it. There's the CSV file. I click on it and I open it. Now I have to, this is the file CSV INV3 and CSV. I'm going to load it. So I'm going to say load, and there's the file as it's in different columns. Now what you have to do is you have to create a template for this particular CSV, which you create only once off, and later on you can use the same template for the same supplier all the time. So I'm going to click on next, and now it's asking me the supplier name. Where is the supplier name? So I'm going to set the position for the supplier name. So I'm going to click on On the supplier name tab, I'm going to click on set position, and there's the supplier name. So I'm going to see Tony Motor Spares. I click on it and it shows me it's in column 1 row 2. Then I'm going to choose the date, and the date I'm going to set the position. So I go to set position for the date. There's the date there. Okay, and then I choose all here, all, because it's all, and I'm going to choose the date format. I go down, it's DD month YY, DDMMYY. That's okay, and I'm going to say all. You see I'm choosing all here, so it's going to choose that particular one. Then I choose invoice number. I choose the invoice number which is there, so I'm going to say set position, and I'm going to choose invoice number 318. Okay, then order number I can choose, which I'm at the moment I'm not using the order number. Then where is the data content? That means where is your content of your invoice, of all the data, where is it on the CSV file? So we're going to choose it. I'm going to say set position, and I'm going to choose the first line that the data appears on. So I'm going to choose the first line there, starting at row number 9 and spanning to each row position. So I've got that. Now I'm going to choose the item number, which is the part item number, and then I choose the set position, and I set the position to LB, which is this one here, and I've set the position. Now I'm going to choose the description position. I'm going to move there. I'm going to choose the description, and I'm going to set the position for the description. So I set the position for the description. Then I set the position for the quantity. So I go to the quantity and I choose the position for there. Quantity, set position, and I choose quantity position there. Then I go to price, and I choose the position there, set position. It's there. I choose it. Price. Discount I'm not going to use, and then it's use the data 1, 2, 3. If there's any other data you need to take into your file. So now I'm going to save this template as test, and I'm going to save it. So the next time I can just use the template. I don't have to go through the whole process again. So save and use. Tells you error in invoice number, so that means I haven't chosen an invoice number. So I'm going to go to invoice number. You see set position, so I'm going to say set position, and I'm going to choose invoice number 3188, and I'm going to choose all, because that's for all the documents. So I say save and use, and now my documents are all in for ready to be imported. So it's this printer LBP Canon 1:1 which is imported, and I say store, and I can just choose the account there. I'm going to store it, and it's going to store it in account number 3. I say OK, and then automatically I can create my creditors document number. I say OK, and it's all into the system with LPP Canon 92, and I can end the document. I end the document. I say OK, and number of copies I choose 1 copy, and I choose yes. I choose no for no labels. OK, and now I've done my GRN. That's how you basically import a document from CSV to a GRN. Thanks for listening to the short tutorial.